is where we will separate the part from the mold. We've done the wax, the gel coat, the skin coat, all the different layups and laminates and cores and reinforcement. And now this is the inner liner of the deck area, and we pull it up from 2 pivot points, and then it releases from that wax, and we'll come off of it, and then we'll have the finish underneath that you need. So go ahead and lift it off. It'll separate right here from this flange area. All right, well, here's it separated. Here's the gel coat we put on first. The finish is just as nice as what the mold surface is. All the non-skid patterns have transferred off, and the non-skid will be on side of there. So the gel coat, the skin coat, the fillets we put in, the layup, all gives us this part. This transferred right off of the mold. So any imperfections that may have been in the mold will transfer off on the part. This part's just freshly been pulled out of the mold. All the gloss is there. It's smooth. Any non-skid finishes that were there, the gel coat's filled those non-skid finishes, and it has a texture that we want. It gives you a good surface to grip your feet on, but it's also smooth enough to clean up and give you good clean surfaces. So this is a part that's ready to go through the trimming process, and it'll go through the inspection process, and then it'll move over to the assembly shop for assembly.